A very, very happy Teachers' Day to all the mentors of English Destination. I want to take this moment to thank all of you for the efforts that you put in your classes each day to improve the life of students and to deliver the results that we promise from our end to the students. Today in English Destination, we have planned a small surprise for you to value and to thank you for the efforts and the dedication that you're putting in your work. Here is that surprise. I'll not take more time and take you ahead towards this video. I'm sorry I could not cover all the students because we had shortage of time, but all the students who could send me their clips, their videos and their messages, here they are for all of you. Enjoy.
Hello Gagan ma'am, hope you are doing good. So finally it's your day. So I'm very happy Teachers Day to you ma'am. So I am very honored to have a mentor like you, and I feel like you have created a significant change in my English speaking confidence. Like before I met you on English Destination, I feel like that I am very underconfident kind of boy, and I always feel that I used to think that what people will think of me when I speak in English. But you have told me that English is like any other language only. Even I will get fluency in this language if I practice it every day. So I would just want to say that I hope you will get all the appreciation and recognition that you deserve ma'am on this special day. So yeah, looking forward to learn more and more from you. So have a good life ahead ma'am. Thank you.
I joined this English Destination platform during February 2024 to learn fluent English. This is a good platform for the students to learn fluent English. My trainer is Mrs. Manisha Kanavar. She is a systematic trainer. She taught me about English grammar well. She also taught me some rules and regulations. Yeah, I was hesitant earlier and unable to speak English, but now I am speaking English so well without any fear.
Good morning. Today is Teachers' Day and today is 5 September and I am a student of English Destination, and Sakina ma'am and Anit ma'am both are my teachers. Sakina ma'am take group class on every Sunday and Anit ma'am take class daily, and she is a trainer for me. And I joined English Destination from last month, and Sakina ma'am and Anit ma'am teach very good in easy way and in systematically, and I am very happy for this because if I am learning from both brilliant teachers, and Anit ma'am teaches very good in easy way systematically, and both of you a very good teacher, and again I wish both of you happy Teachers Day.
Hello Anjali ma'am, happy Teachers Day. On this Teachers Day, I want to thank you for all the support you have given to me. I remember when I was stuck and I was losing my confidence on how to clear the interview. You became my torch bearer. You just did not tell me how to speak English well, and even you helped me in every way to how to clear the interview. Thank you so much, Anjali ma'am, for being there for me. Once again, happy Teachers Day, ma'am.
I am fortunate to be a student of Reshma Memon. I have numerous reasons for why she is an outstanding teacher. Firstly, our impeccable language skills and neutral accent, which makes our language learning as easy and enjoyable. Secondly, our unique way of correcting the language usage in every conversation that makes every conversation as a learning moment. Above all, a genuine interest to our students engaging us to improve our communication skills. I love his support, and thanks for his support. I have improved my language skills from intermediate to upper intermediate and significantly improved my intonation skills. On this Teachers' Day, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude toward her impact on my language journey is priceless. Thank you very much.
Hello friends, myself Kavita Pole, and I'm doing the course with the help of Anjalika ma'am. She is my mentor, and I really thank her from my heart that for being such a fantastic mentor and for constant support and guidance. I'm genuinely grateful for all the wisdom and advice she has shared with me. Her mentorship is invaluable to me. Her guidance has made a significant difference in my life, and I hope in future also she guides me in my drawbacks. Thank you.
Hi ma'am, I'm so glad to talk about you. Manmeet ma'am is my English teacher. I love your teaching and the way of your humble teaching. I experienced a good teaching from you till date. At first I thought, why are they putting me in this class? But now I have some improvement in my English skills, and I wish you a happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
Hi, this is for my mentor Mansi Talwar, who is helping me to improve my English. I'm obliged that she is not just helping me to improve my English, but also teaching me how one can improve the English and speak it with confidence. So her positive attitude makes me more comfortable to discuss my weak areas, and she explains everything in a very understanding manner. I think I've completed more than 15 classes with her, but still I feel more confidence, and my vocabulary, my pronunciation is better than before. So today is our Teachers' Day. I would like to wish her a very happy Teachers' Day to the mystical woman, and I hope as resolutely you are teaching me, I too learn resolutely. And thank you for being patient with me. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Today we are here to celebrate Teachers' Day, a day dedicated to honoring the incredible individuals who guide us, support us, and shape our futures, our teachers. I would like to take a moment to express my deep gratitude to my mentor Mansi ma'am. Although I have had only 7 classes with her, the progress I have made in such a short time speaks volume about her teaching abilities. Her experience in teaching English is evident in every session. Mansi ma'am has an exceptional ability to recognize not only my strength but also the areas where I need improvement. On this special day, I want to thank Mansi ma'am and all the teachers who go above and beyond to help their students achieve their goals. Your hard work, passion and dedication do not go unnoticed. Thank you very much and happy Teachers' Day.
Havneet ma'am, I just want to take a moment to say thanks on this Teachers' Day. Your classes have been so helpful, especially the way you give me feedbacks help me a lot how I communicate in my professional life. Your guidance really helped me more confident when I speaking English. I appreciate your time and effort you put into helping me improve. Thank you so much. I hope you have a wonderful Teachers' Day.
Hello everyone, wishing you all a very happy Teachers' Day. Your passion, dedication and ability to inspire others is truly commendable. And with that, in just a span of 10 months, ED has reached new heights, and obviously the credit goes to all our trainers. So we are proud of you, keep making us proud, and yeah, together we'll grow.